How to fix laptop overheating problem. Complete beginner guide. Laptop overheating is one of the most common problems faced by laptop users today. If your laptop feels extremely hot, the fan is constantly loud, performance becomes slow, or the device suddenly shuts down, these are clear signs of overheating.
In this video, I will explain why laptops overheat and show you practical, safe, and effective ways to fix laptop overheating problems step by step. First, let's understand why laptops overheat.
Inside every laptop, there are powerful components such as the CPU, GPU, and battery. These components generate heat during normal use. A cooling system, usually consisting of fans and vents, is designed to release that heat. However, when airflow is blocked or cooling is inefficient, heat builds up quickly and causes overheating. One of the most common causes of laptop overheating is dust buildup. Over time, dust accumulates inside the vents and fans, blocking airflow. When hot air cannot escape, the internal temperature rises. This is especially common if you use your laptop in dusty environments or rarely clean it. Another major cause is poor ventilation. Using your laptop on soft surfaces like beds, pillows, or sofas blocks the air vents underneath. This traps heat inside the laptop and causes temperatures to rise rapidly. Laptops are designed to be used on flat, hard surfaces that allow proper airflow. High CPU usage is another reason laptops overheat. When too many applications run at the same time, especially heavy software like video editors, games, or browsers with many tabs open, the processor works harder and generates more heat.
Background apps can also silently consume system resources without you realizing it. Now let's move on to the solutions. The first and easiest step is improving airflow.
Always place your laptop on a flat, hard surface such as a desk or table. Avoid using it on beds or your lap for long periods.
If possible, slightly elevate the back of the laptop to allow better air circulation. Next, clean the laptop vents and fans.
Turn off your laptop, unplug it, and let it cool down completely. Use compressed air to gently blow dust out of the vents. Hold the air can upright and use short bursts. Do not insert sharp objects into the vents, as this can damage internal components.
If your laptop is old and overheating badly, internal cleaning may be necessary.
This involves opening the laptop to clean the fan and heatsink. If you are not confident, it's best to take it to a professional technician. Internal dust buildup is one of the biggest causes of long-term overheating.
Another important step is managing background applications. Open Task Manager on Windows or Activity Monitor on macOS.
Check which apps are using a high percentage of CPU.
Close applications you are not actively using. Reducing CPU load directly reduces heat generation. Next, disable unnecessary startup programs.
Apps that automatically start when your laptop boots can run in the background and consume system resources.
Disabling them helps reduce heat and improves performance. Updating your operating system and drivers is also crucial.
System updates often include performance optimizations and bug fixes that reduce excessive CPU usage.
Make sure your laptop is running the latest version of Windows or macOS. Power settings can also affect temperature.
On Windows, use balanced or power saver mode instead of high performance when you don't need maximum power.
On MacBooks, enable low power mode. These settings limit CPU usage and reduce heat output. Another effective solution is using a laptop cooling pad.
Cooling pads provide additional airflow from underneath the laptop, helping dissipate heat more efficiently.
This is especially useful for gaming laptops or laptops used for heavy tasks. Let's also talk about thermal paste.
Over time, the thermal paste between the CPU and heatsink can dry out, reducing heat transfer efficiency.
Replacing thermal paste can significantly reduce temperatures, but this should only be done by experienced users or professionals.
Battery health also affects temperature. A degraded battery can generate extra heat.
If your laptop battery drains quickly or becomes unusually warm, consider replacing it. Prevention is just as important as fixing the problem.
Avoid using your laptop in hot environments. High ambient temperatures make cooling less effective. Keep your workspace cool and well ventilated whenever possible. Regular maintenance is key.
Clean vents every few months, manage software wisely, and monitor system temperature using trusted tools.
Keeping your laptop cool not only improves performance, but also extends its lifespan.
In conclusion, laptop overheating is a serious issue, but it can be fixed with the right steps.
Improving airflow, cleaning dust, managing software, and using proper power settings can make a huge difference. With regular care, your laptop will stay cooler, faster, and more reliable.
If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.